How old do you have to be to work at Sephora? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how old do you have to be if you want to work at Sephora, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Sephora is an online e-commerce platform, and if you are an employee trying to seek a job at Sephora and then you're trying to figure out the ways on how you can do this, well, it's actually quite very simple to do this. Now if I just go to Sephora and then search for how old do you have to be to work at Sephora, you can see it says yes, Sephora has an age minimum of 16 years old to work in stores. So if you're trying to work in stores, you need to be at least over 16 years of age. Applicants must be at least 18 years old to work in a corporate office. So if you're trying to work in a corporate office, you need to be 18 years of age. If you're trying to work in a general store, then you need to be over 16 years of age. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.